Here we go! Just drive onto the guided plate, and our conveyor belt will smoothly deliver the car to the inside of the tunnel. First up, a high-pressure pre-soak to break down all that dirt and grime. Then our touch-free jets cover every inch of your car with a powerful but safe spray. Next, rinse away all foam and residue, leaving no residue behind. Spray wax brightens the car paint while also providing good water repellency. Finally, our powerful air blasters blow the water right off your car. Keep your finish safe. All you have to do is sit back. That's the modern way to wash.